Hey guys, do you like to use shellac, but you really despise cleaning the brush? Well, I've got a tip for you today that is going to save you tons of time and aggravation. So what I want to share with you is the fastest way to clean your shellac brush. And a lot of people will go ahead and, work the brush through a bunch of alcohol a couple times, change the alcohol, clean it out real good, maybe even wash the brush after that in soap and water. That's all fine if that's how you want to spend your time. But honestly, the fastest way to clean a shellac brush is not to clean your shellac brush. Instead of cleaning the brush, go ahead, use it, and just let the finish dry in the brush. Here's the great thing about shellac. Because of the type of finish that it is, it will redissolve itself. It will redissolve in alcohol. It never cures like a varnish or some type of two-part conversion finish will. Shellac can always be redissolved in alcohol. So you just let the finish cure in the brush. Let the bristles get hard. Then the next time you want to go ahead and use that brush to put on some shellac, take the brush, put it in a jar of alcohol, and let it sit for maybe 20 minutes to a half an hour. All right, so it's been about 20-25 minutes, and I will typically put the brush in the alcohol and then use that 20-25 minutes to do my prep work. Tack off my project if I need to, prepare my dilution. I usually cut my shellac, if I'm using it from a can, I usually cut it 1-to-1 with alcohol. And after about that 20 minutes and doing all my prep work, my brush is nice and soft and ready to go. So just take a couple of paper towels. The shop towels, those blue shop towels work really good for this because they're a little more absorbent than these cheap paper towels, but these will work. And just blot out most of the excess alcohol, and you can see this brush now is nice and soft and supple and ready to go to work. And after I finish today, I'll just let the brush harden again. And the next time I want to use my brush, I'll go through the same process.